my YouTube channel Protect and Sociology. Today here we have explains about social thoughts ESO rating assignment solved assignment. So this is a question paper section 1, section 2 and it's section 2. Now we can go to answers. Section 1. Question number 1 of 20 marks. Question number 2 of 20 marks from section 1. Now we go through section 2. Third question of marks 12. Fourth question of marks 12. Fifth question of mark 12. Sixth question of mark 12 and answer. Section 3 of 100. Question number 7 of mark 6 and answer. Eighth question of mark 6 and its answer. Thank you all for watching this video. Please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please contact us on this number and email ID for the solved assignment document. Thank you. Bye.